If you're purchasing solar and energy storage, you're basically planning to install your very own power station at home. You're trusting the manufacturer and supplier, not only to protect your investment, but to keep your home and loved ones safe. There's a lot of noise when it comes to choosing solar panels, batteries and inverters. There's lots of unknown brands promising guarantees longer than they've been in business. So who do you trust? You can think about your purchase in a similar way to investments on the share market. There are speculators and blue chip investments. A speculator is a high-risk purchase with the hope of it becoming more valuable, whereas a blue chip is low risk, usually a steady company that is already valuable. Most Australians invest their personal and super fund money into ASX 50 companies. These are blue chip companies they can trust for steady returns. When it comes to purchasing solar, it's no different. A blue chip solar panel manufacturer is a low-risk company, one that's been in business for over 30 years and has been around longer than the warranty they provide. They have an annual turnover of at least $30 billion with a diverse range of products, with proven capability of completing warranty services through multiple product streams internationally. A speculative or specky solar panel manufacturer, on the other hand, would be a manufacturer that's been in business shorter than their warranty period, with turnover less than $10 billion per annum, and with more than 80% of their income coming solely from solar panels. Here are supply partners we recommend using blue chip manufacturers like Hyundai Solar or Phono Solar as a safe investment for your home and family. To get a proposal from a reseller, visit www.bluechipsolar.com.au today.